Hello, my name's Claire Braund. Welcome to Women on Boards, Australia's premier network for women seeking or serving on boards and committees. We've been around in Australia since 2006 and in the UK since 2012. Women on Boards' vision has been to have 40% of board and leadership roles achieved by women. We call it 40-40-20, 40% men, 40% women and 20% either and or any other gender. We're also committed to increasing opportunities for First Nations and culturally diverse women to achieve their board and leadership potential. To this end, we are friendly, inclusive and open to all who would like to join our thriving network of women. Women who are achieving success on boards and more generally across their careers. Join us today and let us walk alongside as you commence or continue on your board and leadership journey. Thank you.